Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joyce. So if you're new here, please consider to subscribe, you like and comment below. So at the end of this lesson, I will have a few questions and also your homework for today. So today we are going to learn about nouns and the types of nouns. So let's start with the first type of noun. And first of all, let's know what is nouns. So what is nouns? Nouns is a name of person, place, animal, thing, or idea. So, we have the first type of noun, which is proper noun. So, what is proper noun? Proper noun is a name of specific person, place, or thing. You should note that they are always capitalized. So whether they are beginning the sentence, in the middle of the sentence, or at the end of the sentence, a proper noun must be capitalized. So here we have examples and the common categories and examples. So we have, for example, for the person and title or people. So we have Joyce, Jane. For a title, we have Dr. Lillian Gakenya. For places and geography, we have a Nairobi place. Nairobi is a place. You can name where you stay, where you live. So that is a place. So that is a proper noun. So we have Mount Kenya, we have Lake Victoria. So organizations and brands, we have Safaricom, Toyota, Microsoft, etc. Name them. So we also have days, months, and holidays. So can you give me examples of days you know? We have Monday, Tuesday, all the way to Sunday. We also have months, where we have 12 months in a year. We also have holidays, for example, December, Christmas, Easter, name them. So name examples of holidays that you have in your country or in the place that you live. So we also have some titles, like the Standard, the Lion King, name them. So next we are going to learn about the common nouns. So what are common nouns? So these are name of general person, place, thing, or idea. So if you can remember, if you can recall, for the proper nouns, these are specific, and note that they are capitalized. For these ones, they are not unique and only capitalized at the beginning of the sentence or in a title. Okay, so let's categorize common nouns. So we have, for example, for people, we have baby, we have auntie, we have doctor, neighbor, friend, name them. Places, we have school. So in this, you can see that this is a school. So I have not been so specific on which school I am mentioning here. So this falls on the common nouns because it's not specific a town. At this one, you see, I've just written a town. So it's not maybe Nairobi, India, or I'm not being specific. We have beach, we have park. Then we have things and objects or objects. So we have book, car, chair. Ideas, happiness. We have happiness, time. So let's go to examples of common nouns and proper nouns in a sentence. So, Sarah loves to read books in the library. So, Sarah is so specific and it's a name of a person. So, this is a proper noun. Library. I am not specific. So this will fall into a common noun. So we also have Lilian is planning a trip to Mombasa to visit the beautiful beach. So Lillian is a proper noun. So this is a name of a person. I am very specific on the person I am talking about. It's Lillian. Mombasa. Mombasa is a proper noun because I am very specific to where Lillian is planning to go and visit. Beach. For the beach, it's a common noun because I am not specific. I have not specified which beach Lillian is visiting. So we also have another example. He bought a new laptop made by Sony. So let me give you a few seconds so that you can guess. You can give me which is a proper noun here and a common noun. Okay, laptop is a common noun. So here I have not specified which brand. But the moment I say the laptop was made by Sony, Sony is a proper noun because it's a brand. So I am very specific. She will be celebrating her birthday on Monday in the month of August. So Monday here fall for proper noun because I am very specific. Month is a common noun. Here we are not specific. August is a proper noun, very specific. Corrective nouns. These are name of group or collective of people, animals, things. For example, a team of players, a class of students, a choir of singers, a swarm of bees, a bucket of flowers. So let's check on abstract nouns. These are nouns you cannot physically interact with using your 5 senses. For example, emotions, e.g., love, happiness, sadness, name them. State of being, for example, freedom, childhood. Qualities and ideas, for example, justice, truth, time. So, our homework for today is to go and check what are material nouns and countable nouns. Make sure you give me your feedback on the comment section. So let's meet on our next video so that we can learn other parts of speech, and learning is the English. So see you on my next video.